Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Solana. First and foremost, just want to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support, whether it's Solana updates, whether it's Caspa, Cardano, VeChain, the list goes on and on. You guys have been showing overwhelming amount of support, and the comments are really heartwarming. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys keep me going and keep me motivated to continue to bring out these videos for you guys. So once again, I appreciate all the support. But if we're looking at the markets, you guys can see December the 2nd, we're seeing once again a lot of green. And that is to be expected because, of course, we're seeing BTC hitting yearly high after yearly high. And, that is causing the entire momentum for the entire crypto space to be on the positive side of things. So that is great to see. And, of course, you guys know we're closing out the year of 2023 as quarter 4, holiday season. Everyone is excited. So let's stay excited and kind of do take a break from crypto as well, and just spend some time with the family and just be ready for a great year ahead of us. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, $62, up 1.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap is approaching this $26.3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 1.1 billion, which is great to see. But before we get into more detail about the analysis, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So a lot has happened today for the entire ecosystem, and we'll talk about that. You guys can see this for yourself. This right here is breaking news. I didn't really want to talk about it earlier today. Wanted to save it for this update specific. So you guys can see Coinbase plans to integrate with Solana. The company wants transactions on this platform under 1 second and 1 cent. To do that, Coinbase will integrate Lightning on Bitcoin and other layer 1s that are very fast, like Solana. CEO Brian Armstrong told Decrypt. So this is great to see, and again, should not be a shocker. A lot of people really are starting to understand where Solana really comes into play. How is it an Ethereum competitor? What makes it an Ethereum competitor? And I know a lot of people are starting to realize, hey, hold on a minute, this actually does make sense. This is not just another speculative asset. It's actually here to compete with Ethereum. The flaws Ethereum has, it's really out here solving them, and that's what is causing massive amounts of interest flowing in towards the ecosystem. And the airdrop season definitely is massive on Solana, and reminds me of the previous airdrop season that we did see in the previous bull market. So speaking about airdrop season, the long awaited, highly anticipated airdrop for Jupiter Exchange, they have finally launched their allocation checkers. So basically eligible wallets, there's I think 3 or 4 tiers, and you connect your wallet to see which one you have qualified for and how many tokens you're getting. So this is on their Twitter. It's airdrop.jupe.ag, and your boy has made it to tier 3. I'm surprised I didn't make it to tier 2. I was hoping for tier 2, but again, I'm not complaining. This right here is free money, and I think this 3,200 jupe is going to be massive amounts of money in the very near future, and I will explain why that is. So I got 3,200, and again, I'm very excited. You guys can see after a month of intense consultation and data analysis, we're happy to share your allocation. A lot of care has been put into this, and we hope you will like your jupe pie. Excited to enter the new phase with you. So 3,200, I'm not complaining. And there's now people talking about what the price is going to be for jupe. And if you guys want to know, here, let's see if we can pull up the decentralized exchanges right here and compare it. So this right here is the list for the top DEX. And of course, if you don't know, Jupiter is at DEX platform, decentralized, and after what happened with Binance, after what's happening with a lot of exchanges, I think this is finally a time where we do see decentralized platforms really take off. And Jupiter is, of course, a Solana based decentralized exchange, and you can see this for yourself. Uniswap, Thor Wallet, Dex, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Jupiter is right behind PancakeSwap. And this really explains as to how big this could be if we're going further into the bull market. In my opinion, Jupiter, there is Radium as well. Not a big fan of it. It lags a lot. If you've used it, you guys know what I mean. But Jupiter Exchange has such a beautiful layout. The overall experience is so user friendly, and that's what excites me the most. And now I'm comparing this with the likes of PancakeSwap, with the likes of Uniswap. And I think it can pull that, and especially now that a lot of hype is on Solana, and I think it's going to continue to stay there. A lot of people are realizing what Solana is really here to do. As Solana succeeds as well, I think Jupiter is also going to succeed. And we could also make some comparisons with Pipe Network, which is also a Solana based project which had an airdrop. Obviously, tokenomics, there's some, when it comes to tokenomics, you need to be paying very close attention to it. And I know a lot of people don't realize tokenomics is massive, and that potentially gives you a better understanding of what the short-term horizon looks like. Right now in the circulation, it's only 1.5 billion in circulating for Pipe Network, but this is going to increase. So it's not deflationary, it's inflationary. But long-term perspective, who knows? Right now, I'm not really touching it, but that does not mean, before the massive unlocks do happen, we can't see more upside. But, I just wanted to make a comparison. You can see Pipe Network, Solana-based, also was airdropped to the community, and it is sitting right now at a $634 million market cap. And, the $634 million market cap is huge, massive, and almost made it up to $1 billion market cap. So this is getting a lot of people, comparing it to this, seeing, potentially Jupe could be listed at $1 billion market cap or even higher. But in the long run, I think it's here to compete with the likes of Uniswap, and that excites me a lot. So now with that said, let's talk about Solana's price. And yes, guys, all this is related to Solana. So we're not going off track. We're staying on track. So of course, we're seeing Solana doing exactly what we projected yesterday, especially if I show you the hourly time frame, you can see what's happening with Solana. So, we have broken out of that resistance where I was talking about. We saw the price of Solana go up to $62.50, seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, but now the main target, of course, is the yearly high. And I think in the next few days to come, we could be pushing up to these yearly highs. And in order for us to hit a yearly high for Solana, that's only a move of about 11% from the current price levels. And if BTC continues this upwards trend, sees it possibly 39 to 40K, we could see Solana hitting a new yearly highs in the days coming ahead. And I think Solana ecosystem is about to take off. And even with this Jupe airdrop, some people might not hold this, right? Of course, some people are probably just going to dump it right off the bat. My strategy, how I'm going to play out this is, I am very interested in Jupiter Exchange. I like the exchange, I like the experience, and I will be buying more Jupe. And again, that's not financial advice. That's just my own personal opinion. I've done my due diligence and research, and I want you guys to do the same. This 3,200, I'm going to add more Jupe to my allocation. I'm going to hold it for the next, year, 2 years. Let's see wherever the price goes, and I will lock in profits where I do feel comfortable, because I think the potential that this has is massive. So I'll keep you guys updated as to what I do with this, but let me know down below what you guys think. Did you guys hit on Jupe? Let me know. And thank you so much for all your support. Once again, really appreciate that. Continue supporting, and we'll continue bringing these updates for you guys. But with that said, I'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.